You are watching Tech Time. Please subscribe. Share this YouTube channel.
DoubleTap To Lock is an application help you double tap to screen on or screen off. Feature double tap to screen on. Double tap to screen off only works on home screen and lock screen.
Default the app use triple tap to screen off that make avoid some error-related touch, but you can change a number of tabs in the app to double tap. Plus when to use the keyboard you should disable app or pause app to avoid screen off when to type text. To pause app you can open notification and click icon play with content. Double tap to lock is playing, and to use the app after you can click icon pause with content. Double tap to lock is pause to can use continue use. Double tap to lock is application free. Set up and enjoy.